week 2 of our health and wellness launch, guys. We got some more products in, and it's just been amazing. The reason why I love this way to make money online is because 94% of our people are customers just because the products are amazing. Yes, there's going to be so many different products and things that come out, but we spend so much money on our formulations and copywriting our formulations, and just we have a mantra of different products. So supports gut health, ceremonial grade matcha, fulvic mineral concentrate. So let's just look at the label on this specific product. I always like showing you guys some products before we get into the money. So we're gonna zoom in. So our ingredients: matcha green tea, organic coconut water, blue agave, luhan guao, monk fruit, our microbiomex citrus flavored extract, fulvic mineral powder, very key, heavy metal detox, pretty much fulvic mineral powder, and this is like a gut product, gut reset. And what's so amazing is we have so many things like this. One thing that I just got in the mail yesterday is I got the purge tonic, the colon, the sour sop. I didn't get these two. I didn't get this pack, but here's a pack that we have. So I want you guys just to understand, purge is kind of like an iron fluorine, heavy iron product simply because the ingredients, but it's going to, purge out those pesticides, artificial preservatives, chemical fillers, different things that ruin us on a daily basis that we don't look into more. Everyone's so stuck on food, diet, etc., but they're not realizing if you don't purge out those things in the gut, because the gut is super important. If we look at the label on here, I want you, if any of you guys know about herbs, you'll really like what you're gonna see. Organic dandelion, burdock, rhubarb, paw de arco, cat's claw, organic sheep soul, golden seal. Like if you're hip with herbs, I just might have blown your mind that we have something like this in a direct sales company. And then soursop, the highlight of this pack. Do your research on soursop, and there's actually a few other things in this soursop blend that makes it even more powerful. But immune system booster, helps with affected cells in that whole nine. And like I said, I'll just keep it there to just to stay compliant, but please do your research on soursop. So these are just some of the products, and if we come to protocols, we have so many different things for every part of the body that I just haven't seen before. I haven't seen this type of suite of products that really help reboot a lot of things in the body. We'll be going on this in a week or so. The complete liver. This is really where you want to start. You want to detox that liver because that's handling that bile flow, and even I think some of this would be good for the kidneys as well, which filters the blood, of course. But that gut times 50. You got the fulvic acid, purge, peppermint, different things that combat parasites. So you'll go on like a 3-day liver cleanse, and then you'll finish it out. I want to say 21-day parasite cleanse, might be a little less than that. And you'll repeat this throughout the year. So this is where you really want to start. But if not, if you don't know if you want to do a parasite cleanse just yet, we have so many things. And this is just protocols, guys. If you look under all protocols or all products, you'll find a variety, of so many different things, guys. So now that we got to that, let's get to the money. I love to get to the money. We're going to keep this video fairly short because I have other videos that breaks down everything. So the first way you're going to start earning in this company, Heart and Body Naturals, is if you're on an auto ship. You put yourself on 100 customer volume auto ship. You're going to get a free Try Me product, which it can be different values, but you're going to also get percent back on, like cash back, depending on how long you stay on auto ship, up to 16 months, 30% back that you can buy more products with. We have a free branded card if you don't want to put it in your own bank account, and we do a variety of different withdrawal methods, direct deposit, Cash App. I think they have one. I know a lot of people don't really use Cash App, but it's an option in there. So now let's get right into the comp plan. So I always am going to tell you guys to really be effective in Heart and Body Naturals. You want to be at 100 customer volume, which is a protocol. And I always tell people to start with a protocol anyways, because you have a variety of products that you can really get a grasp on. Is this something that you like? Are these products something you like? If you just get one product, it's going to be kind of hard, especially if your diet isn't good, to really see the power in these products. So 100 customer volume, get you a protocol, anything over $100. is usually 100 customer volume. Plus, when you create an account and add it to your cart, you're going to see the volume. So, and if you go to my regular website, relaxingmoney.ws, I actually show you exactly how to purchase products and everything. But you're gonna earn 20% to 30% on the first 90 days as fast start bonuses for customers, and people want to sell the product, which is pretty much just a customer. So that's the first way. You see, if you get 100 customer volume, you actually get to earn 3 levels. If you don't know what levels are, it's just as your team grows. Like if you refer a customer, that's level 1. If they refer a customer, that's level 2. So you actually get some fast start bonuses, some levels down for the first 90 days. Here's some income disclosures from 2023. The next way we earn is monthly. This is paid daily. This is paid monthly because it's a contest. So we have 2 contests. So all new 100 customer volume orders and recurring customer volume orders that are 100 customer volume, you're going to earn anywhere from $100 to $1,000 on the first leaderboard. And this goes for 30 days. And then any new 25 customer volume orders, there's another leaderboard. So you can earn both. You can make potentially up to $2,000 just for putting in work, bringing in customers. And I love that this business is a customer business. It's not really like to sell the product. You just become a customer of at least 25 customer volume. That's it. There's no extra fees to be affiliate or anything. The Star Matrix bonus, 100 customer volume orders only in this bonus. Reason why I said you want to be at 100 customer volume. So how this works is it's a grid. So you have 1 person, you have 2 person as it goes down, and then it's 8 up to 32 on the last grid. And then once you get to 33 customers, it resets. So this goes for everyone. This is not just for you bringing in 32 people yourself. This is for your whole organization of customers. So when people start referring, when there's 200 customer volumes that comes in within the team, you get a $50 bonus. When it goes to 4, you get a $75 bonus, and then 8, $100 bonus, 16, $150 bonus, and 32, $200 bonus, and this repeats. And this just cycles and cycles and cycles and cycles and cycles. It just keeps going and going and going. So you're getting that upfront commission from your personal members, and you're getting this star bonus from your same members. So if you bring in 200 customer volume orders today, you're going to get paid 30% of their orders, and then you're going to get this $50 bonus. A kit pays you around $30. So that's 60 plus another $50 for 200 customer volume orders. You're pretty much in profit now. So the binary is where it gets really real. This is the slow build, but this is amazing. So to get binary qualified, you must be an executive in a company. An executive means you have 2 customers, 1 on each side. And I'll show you on the back end how to do that. It's just a system where you place them on the left, place them on the right. Every customer goes through this system, and you can place them on the left, place them on the right. When you have 200 customer volume, and this goes on your whole team. So if you bring in 5 customers and they decide to go refer people, their volume goes on either the left or the right side. So when you have 200 customer volume on the left, 200 customer volume on the right, you get paid anywhere from $8 to $24. How do you get paid the most? Just by being having 100 customer volume and product purchases yourself. If not, if you're only at 25, you're going to get 8. So imagine every time this happens in your whole organization, there's 200 and 200, you get paid 20 something dollars, meaning 5 cycles a day is $100, over $100 just in the binary. And this is paid daily. Binary match paid daily. So when you hit the rank of platinum, and I'm going to show you how to reach that, you get 25% of your customers who go out and make money. You help your customers go out and make money, and how to get other customers. When they make $500 or any amount of money in the binary, when you are a platinum rank, you get 25%, a 25% bonus. Now you're making money without even doing anything or being online where you help them. So that is doing something, but you get the point. And as you rank up, you get actually generational matching bonuses. So when you're a sapphire, on the second level, you get another 5% up to 5 levels. This is amazing. And then one of my favorite bonuses is the lifestyle bonuses. So you start getting it at platinum. So that's $75 a week, up to $3,900 a year. So as soon as you hit platinum, you will get a $75 bonus. And when you start climbing in these ranks, Imagine being a diamond getting paid $12.50 a week just for being that rank. On top of everything I already showed you, still have binary money coming in, and a diamond gets a lot in the binary. So I'll show you like the earnings of a diamond. The earning of a diamond is low end $230,000 a year, high end $400,000 a year. Platinum, which is that first good rank you want to hit, a low is 33,000. Imagine making a low 33,000 doing this part-time. Most of you are going to start this part-time. And then a high 129,000, which is where a lot of people want to be in this world. You want to be at over $100,000 a year to really live like you want to live. So to hit these ranks is pretty quick. On the left side right here, we have the old traditional MLM, but they added something on the right side that changed the game. So on the old side, first you have to be executive, meaning, like I said, you have 2 customers, one on each leg. And then I told you, if you're at 100 customer volume, 20%, or you get 30% up front. And in the binary, you either get $8 or you get 24. And then at 100 customer volume, you unlock the star bonus. If you purchase no products, you can still make money. You only get 10%. You don't get nothing else. You just get 10%, which is good. So if you can't afford products and you just want to refer something, you can do this if you want to still earn 10% fast start commissions in the customer's first 90 days. So to build the business, to get to that platinum rank, you can either have 12 executives, meaning 12 people with at least 2 customers, which is not bad. But like when you get down in the ranks, it gets a little more harder. It gets to, when you want to go diamond, you need 6 platinum. So 6 people to do this, and you need 500 cycles. And we mentioned what a cycle is in the binary. Now you can just be an executive and go get 5 cycles and become a bronze. If you want to become platinum, you can be an executive with 2 customers in just 30 team cycles. So meaning your customers are selling products and they're cycling in their binary. And it goes like that all the way down. You can just be an executive and go and get this amount of cycles in your team and still go hit diamond without having to have 6 platinums. Yes, it's less cycles, but you still have to do the leg work and get 6 platinums. You can build it this way too. Some people might understand this more. Well, it's easy to understand, but some people might just like this more because, you doing it this way, you kind of build leaders, helping them rank up. And here you can still help them rank up, but this is more structurally trying to rank up. So I love this. I love this feature. So like if you're not a good company builder or trainer, you can just have customer flow going through your organization and still hitting these top ranks. And I love this company because they have these ranks that set you up to have the money. That's why you're able to go up and see how much these different ranks make, because they're all off product sales. So you're building these ranks, but you're building this customer base that's going to recurringly pay you these numbers. So you can't hit a diamond until you're having about $18,000 coming in your binary every single month. Like you have to plaster that in the numbers to even hit diamond, which I love, because some places you might hit these ranks and the low end is super low. I love that the low end for a diamond is life changing. So this is the compensation plan. I know I went over a little bit, but I know you're going to enjoy these videos. If you scroll down, you can see a lot of the things I talked about more broken down. If you end up on this website, you can just come over here, opportunity, and see exactly what I showed you and purchase and sign up under one. I'll have a link to this if you just want to get right to it. You can send me a text, or I'll send you to my system where it breaks things down a little bit more, shows you some other resources that I use to build my business in the whole 9, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good one.